Victor, take yours.
Todd! Have you not heard a word that I've said here?
I kind of checked out for a minute. I'm a little tense.
Well, you better wake up and start paying attention here.
Yeah, Mom was saying that maybe the judge will take it easy on us today because the murder charge was dropped. Never should have been in jail in the first place because you didn't kill Victor. Todd! Hey! What on earth is wrong with you?
I don't know what's going on with me.
Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah. I'm really worried about you. That's all.
Well, I can't wait to get home to Hope. I mean, I miss her so much.
And she misses you too, sweetheart, and you're gonna be home really, really soon, okay? So don't you worry about that.
Thanks, Mom.
If our daughter spends one more night in jail, I'll never forgive you. You know that.
Well, it appears that everyone is here. Ms. Delgado, how do the defendants plead in this matter of Todd Manning's escape from a holding cell at the LPD?
Your Honor, I move that all charges against them be dropped.
What? Wait, you're kidding me, right? You're not serious.
Do I need to remind the district attorney that she'll have her turn?
Forgive me, Your Honor, but for counsel to even suggest that the charges be dropped, 2 guards were held at gunpoint. I mean, it was lucky that no one was hurt, let alone killed.
Your Honor, if I may, Mr. Manning believed, quite accurately as it turned out, that Irene Manning, his mother, posed a real threat to his family. Lives were at stake.
And if Mr. Manning and Miss Manning believed there was a credible threat, then they should have come to the police.
Oh, please, no one would have believed us.
Regardless, the people do acknowledge the fact that Miss Manning has no prior criminal record and that she was clearly manipulated by her father into committing a felony with him. So the Commonwealth is willing to drop the charges against Miss Manning if Mr. Manning pleads guilty and serves 2 years in prison.
Absolutely not. Your Honor, Mr. Manning did break out of prison with the help of his daughter. No one is disputing that.
Sounds like a guilty plea to me.
But there were significant extenuating circumstances. Mr. Manning had every reason to believe that his family was in grave danger and that he had to do something desperate in order to protect them.
Even if the defendant had good reason, is irrelevant. The fact remains a crime was committed.
Your Honor, the court needs to consider this man's history. Todd Manning has been terribly wronged. First, by a rogue branch of the government that kept him illegally imprisoned and tortured him for 8 years. Next, by shoddy police work that resulted in his arrest and incarceration for the murder of his brother, a crime he did not commit. Subsequently, Mr. Manning turned himself in and the charges were dropped because the Commonwealth admitted its mistake. Mr. Manning, Your Honor, does not deserve to be unjustly imprisoned for yet a 3rd time.
Miss Delgado is turning Mr. Manning into a martyr, which is preposterous. He doesn't deserve a medal for manipulating his daughter into committing a felony with him, or endangering her life, or the lives of 2 guards as well.
The law recognizes extenuating circumstances.
And the people were willing to offer a deal, but Miss Delgado wasn't happy with the terms. So now the Commonwealth will rescind the offer and recommend that this case go to trial. Mr. Manning and Miss Manning will be tried for breaking out of jail and for assaulting 2 guards. And as Miss Manning is an adult, she will be tried as such.
Very well, then. If the defendants will enter their plea...
No, look, you want to punish somebody, punish me. You could lock me up and throw away the key, but you leave her alone.
Dad, don't do this. Please sit down.
Listen to your daughter.
You are not putting my daughter on trial. Everything that happened in that jail cell was my fault. I forced her to help me escape. Leave her alone.
Mr. Manning, sit down now. Now, I am sorry, Mr. Manning, Miss Manning, but you have to pay for what you've done.
What happened? It went well. It did? Well, mostly. Oh, good. Dad and I both pled guilty.
Guilty?
Yes. But we both got suspended sentences and community service.
Oh my God, that's great.
Well, we're going to be picking up trash on the side of the road, so...
Well,
great.
That's pretty great.
I think you got lucky there, Todd. You softened up the judge by taking the fall for Starr.
Told you I wouldn't let our little girl go down for that.
Well, it's a damn good thing.
Am I free to go?
Just a matter of some paperwork.
Tomas, they're ready for us. We need to go now.
Congratulations, Todd.
Okay, Starr, we need to go start your process for release.
Good. Oh, I can't wait to get home to my little girl. I'll see you later.
Okay?
Wish Tomas look for me.
I will, sweetheart.
Wish there was something we could do to help him.
Okay, you've done enough to get people out of jail. Why don't you go with Nora, okay?
Come on. Finally, we're free.
Yes, we are.
That's it.
Okay, I need to talk to you.
Why? What's the problem?
I just need to understand why you're free and Tomas isn't. So tell me the truth, Todd. Can you really, in good conscience, allow Tomas to be put away for a murder that you committed?